Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. To subscribe, click the bell icon for more interesting updates. Today, we are going to know how to prepare flowers with color peppers. In order to prepare, we need 4 color peppers, 1 scissor, 1 toothpick, glue gum, pen or pencil. Fold the color peppers into a square shape as shown in the video. The unwanted part should be cut off. Next step, fold the peppers diagonally for 3 times as shown in the video. Using a pen, mark C shape at the corners of the diagonal pepper. Then, using a scissor, cut at the mark as shown in the video. Now we have 4 individual peppers in the flower shape. At this point, we should cut a leaf from the first flower. Similarly, we cut 2 leaves from the second flower and we cut 3 leaves from the third flower, and again we have to cut 4 leaves from the fourth flower. Using a toothpick, fold the edges of the leaves into half as shown in the video. Using gum, join the leaves with each other. Finally, we have to arrange the flowers using the gum in order to 4 followed by 3 followed by 2 and 1 as shown in the video. Now the flower is going to ready in few seconds. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe and share my video.